So this brings us to Sabrina.
That's Sabrina, yeah. She's just loving her little toy. Look at that. Jasper loves his little gray toy. Gary was into the water. There's Tasha. She loves her zebra. And Aria's just crashed out behind the cushion. Oh, that's not Aria. That's Kamaya. Aria's over there playing with her little, whatever that is, donkey. Oh, that is so cool. They love their toys. This is the right age. Just laying in their food.